The joy of preferences. Mastering, be fond of. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on expressing likes and preferences. Today we're going to take a deep dive into the phrase, be fond of. It's a unique, classy way to express what you like or enjoy. Let's get started. The phrase, be fond of, is used to express that you like something or someone very much. It is often used to refer to habits, things we always like doing, or things that we have liked for a long time. The structure is typically be, in the correct form, plus fond of plus noun, gerund, ing form. For example, you might say, I am fond of painting. Here, am is the correct form of be, for the pronoun I, fond of, indicates your preference, and painting is the activity you enjoy. Now let's look at a few more examples to help you understand how to use be fond of correctly. She's fond of chocolate. This means that she really likes chocolate. They're fond of traveling. This means that they really enjoy traveling. We are fond of playing football on weekends. This means that we like to play football on weekends. As you can see, be fond of can be used with both nouns, like chocolate, and gerunds or activities, like traveling or playing football. Just like any other verb, be fond of can also be used in questions and negative sentences. Here are some examples. Questions. Are you fond of reading? Is he fond of jazz music? Negatives. I'm not fond of cold weather. She isn't fond of horror movies. Remember, be fond of is a bit more formal and less commonly used than like, but it can add variety to your English. And there you have it. You're now a step closer to mastering the art of expressing likes in English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use be fond of in your conversations as much as you can. As always, keep practicing, and you'll see your English skills grow in no time. Until next time, happy learning!